Well, we're at the Christmas tree shipping landing. Getting ready to ship trucks off to all over the United States. And here's my crew stacking trees. And here's my little John Deere. Gonna drive around and check on things. It's very fun to drive. And here's stacks and stacks of all different kinds of trees and sizes. As far as the eye can see, we're located at the foothills of Mount Hood. It's a beautiful view on a clear day, but today's kind of cloudy, but sunny. We have fortunate weather the last few days. Trees like rain. This first day it hasn't rained. Look at all those trees.